Say hello to the 2026 Kenworth W900 Next Level Motorhome, where American trucking power meets unmatched luxury, fully upgraded, ultra-modern, and built for kings of the road. This isn't travel, it's domination. Welcome to the future of road luxury. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Next Level Motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a 5-star rolling palace built on the backbone of American trucking heritage. Designed for those who want to experience freedom without sacrificing comfort, this masterpiece redefines mobile living. The exterior demands attention with a refreshed, aggressive look. Full-length LED light bars, chrome details, and premium 24-inch wheels that carry this giant effortlessly. But it's what's inside that truly shocks the senses. Step through the automatic sliding door and you're welcomed by an ultra-modern interior, featuring handcrafted Italian leather furniture, polished hardwood flooring, ambient mood lighting, and a fully digital smart control panel that manages everything from lighting to entertainment. The living room features a 75-inch OLED smart TV, theater-style recliners with massage and heat functions, and a full Bose surround system for immersive entertainment. Large dual-pane windows offer panoramic views while filtering UV light and soundproofing the cabin. The kitchen is every chef's dream, equipped with a full-size fridge, convection oven, induction cooktop, granite countertops, a smart faucet with voice control, and even a wine cooler. The backsplash features LED accents, and the cabinetry is handmade walnut with soft close technology. Move into the bedroom and you'll find a king-size memory foam bed with adjustable base, underbed storage, and motorized blackout shades. There's a walk-in closet, smart mirrors, and even a built-in vanity with LED lighting. The bathroom? It's a spa on wheels, featuring a rainfall shower with steam option, a deep soaking tub, backlit mirrors, and a smart toilet with bidet function. Heated marble flooring and towel warmers ensure comfort in every season. This luxurious home rides on a powerhouse, the Cummins X15 605 HP, engine paired with an 18-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're cruising the interstate or climbing mountain passes, the Kenworth W900 delivers smooth power with air ride suspension, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a full 360-degree camera system for added safety. Advanced solar integration, lithium-ion battery banks, a silent generator, and full off-grid capability mean you're never tied down. Wi-Fi boosters, satellite TV, and mobile workstations make it perfect for digital nomads and luxury explorers. This is more than a motorhome. It's the future of travel, a bold statement of independence and style. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Next Level Motorhome is built for those who want to conquer every mile in absolute luxury. Reviewed by Honest Auto Wheels.